Hello YouTube, this is Mitch with Mitch Quick Eats. Today we're going to make lumpia. The recipe is quite simple, and when we finish it, it's going to be very delicious. So take this walk with me and you'll enjoy it. And if you like it, subscribe, and leave a comment below for any other ideas and your experience with this great meal. Okay? Onion, carrot onion, celery, onion, I'm going to let it saute for a minute. Saute it all up together. Saute up together so we cook a little bit first before adding the meat. A little salt in there, a little black pepper, and lightly salt it, and when I put the meat in there too again, so that way it will stew the meat. That's all we need. Okay, keep sauteing it around a little bit. Smells good. Okay, add the meat. Add the meat. You gotta add the ground beef to it. Make sure you saute all that all in there good together. I gotta cook. I like my lumpia a little oily because when I put a little bit of the tomato paste in there, I want it to be a little sticky but not too sticky, so that way when I roll it in the lumpia paper, I can fry it again. About 15 minutes. Once in a while I'll come and saute because I want the carrot to be just right. And then we're going to take it and take the oil out of it. Before I add the tomato paste, I gotta take the oil out of it first. You have to do that. Okay, now I'm gonna leave the top on it so that way when I take this big pot off that's hot, I can take some of the oil and pour it off without pouring none of the good stuff away. Okay. Get the meat out, the oil out the meat. All the meat. Okay, make sure you shake it all out the meat and put it in another bowl. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little bit of tomato paste in it, not too much, just to get it to stick together. So when I put in the lumpia wrapper, there's not meat going all over the place. I still got to fry it. That way they all stick together a little bit better. Now as you can see, I took it and made 5 of them already, and you're going to roll them up like this. It can be any size, it don't have to be perfect. But I'm just going to show you how to take it and put it in the warm water first to get it to have the flexibility that you need, because if you don't do that, it's going to shatter like glass. You don't want that. Supposed to let it drain off with the warm water so get flexible. I want to get flexible. You put some of the meat on there. Nice portion like that. Don't have to be too big. Just Spread it all in there. Just don't be afraid to use your hands and roll it. When you roll it, take the ends, fold the ends over, fold the ends over, keep rolling it. And just before you go and roll that last one, put a little bit of egg white on your hands and dip it on this. Put it on the edges to keep it closed. Yeah, see, there you go, like that. Sit there, right up with the other ones you're rolling. It takes a little bit of work, but it's really, really delicious. I mean, when I saw the making, I said to myself, let me make these. Let me see how these are. And I made these things, woo. I have neighbors that I didn't even know I had neighbors want to come over every time and keep eating. There's something wrong with that. Ooh. So now I'm tortured, having to make some more for my roommate and myself now because it's so good. And it's like, I get up in the morning and all I think is lumpia. Jesus Christ, what's going on? But as you can see, it's really delicious. You know? Some foods you gotta take artwork and take your time to make anyway, just because you just do. Don't be afraid to use egg on it. You know what I'm saying? So it gets that seal that you want. Just like that. Put them in there. Make sure they're all down there. They can fry them, just get brown. You want them to get brown on all sides. You got to squeeze 3-4 in there. Just want them to get brown on each side. Let it separate a little bit so they can get brown. Gentlemen, it takes a little while to critique these goods, but once you get it, it's going to be delicious, delicious. Take them out.